Hello everyone, today on this channel we are going to be making some yummy turkey stew, and let me tell you, it's a very easy recipe and also very delicious. So let's get right into it, shall we? For our turkey stew, we need very minimal ingredients. I have my turkey, I have my tomato paste, I have some chopped onions, some green pepper, and I have my pepper mix. It comprises of some tomatoes, bell peppers, cayenne pepper, shepherd pepper, and some habanero peppers. Yes, so in a clean pot, I'll be going in with my washed and cleaned turkey. And then I'll be seasoning this with some salt, some chicken bouillon cubes. I would also be going in with some curry powder, some onion powder, a little bit of our chopped onions. I love onions. Okay, and then I'll give this a very good mix. Once this has been mixed properly, I will just cover and allow to cook for a little bit before adding in some water. I forgot to go in with some bay leaves, so I added some bay leaves and just allowed to boil for a bit. So I'm back and I'm just going to be going in with some water, enough water to cook the turkey and also to use as stock for cooking the turkey stew later on. Once you're done stirring this in properly, would cover and allow to cook. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on here, please do well to hit the subscribe button, drop a like, a comment, share with your friends, and don't forget to also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, back to the main event. So our turkey is well cooked and I'm just going to be taking it off the heat. In a clean pot, I would be going in with some oil, vegetable oil, canola oil, olive oil, whatever oil you use in cooking. And then to my oil, I would also be adding some sesame oil. Yes, I am making use of canola oil, so I added a little bit of sesame oil as well. And then I'll be adding my chopped onions to this. Once this has fried for a little bit, I would go in with my tomato paste. Yes, tomato paste, and I'm just going to fry this properly for a little bit. I took my time in frying my tomato paste to ensure I get the consistency I want. Yes, so I fried this for let me see, 10 minutes or thereabouts, but I kept on stirring it so it doesn't get burnt at the bottom. Okay, so once you are done frying this, I will be going in with my pepper mix, which I already cooked down to reduce the water in it. Yes, so once this has been added, I would mix this thoroughly. Yes, I needed a little more oil to this, so I added in some canola oil. And then I'll be seasoning this with some chicken powder, some salt, some onion powder as well. I would also be adding some paprika powder. And then I'll give this a very good mix. I also added a little salt to this, like I mentioned earlier. Okay, so I'm giving this a very thorough mix to ensure all the ingredients are mixed in properly. I tasted this to ensure the ingredients were enough, and then I covered and allowed to boil. I'm back to check on my stew and it's looking good already. Remember the stock we got from boiling our turkey earlier on? I will be introducing this now. I'll go in with this little by little so I don't get the stew to be very light. So I went in with the first portion. It wasn't enough, and then I added everything. So once this has been added, I gave this a very good mix, turned it. Yes, I just gave this a very good mix. Our stew is looking very good already. I wouldn't be frying my turkey. Look at that escapee turkey. So I'll be going in with the turkey, the boiled turkey. I wouldn't be frying this. I didn't want to fry it. But if you like to grill this, if you like to fry your turkey, by all means go ahead. So I added in my already boiled turkey. Yes, and I'm just giving this a very good mix. Guys, let me tell you, the aroma at this point was everything. I surprised myself because the way this stew tasted so good. And it's not like I did something so special or extraordinary, but it tasted very well. Okay, so give this a very good mix. Yes, and I'll just cover to boil again. So I'm back to check on the stew once again. You can see it's boiling very well, and I will be going in with my final ingredients. Can you guess what my final ingredient is? I know you saw it earlier on when I mentioned the ingredients I'll be using. Yes, green pepper. So I'll be going in with my green pepper. If you haven't tried green pepper in your stew, let me tell you right now, you're missing a lot. Give this a try and let me know how it turns out. Okay? Yes, so I added my green pepper, gave this another mix, covered and allowed to cook for a bit. Let me know what you think of my turkey stew. Would you be trying my recipe out? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching and staying with me so far. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.